Tulis! Tulis! Hi guys! Good morning. Today is January 21, 2015. It is Wednesday. It's already Wednesday. Wow. Kaloka. Today is, just Wednesday. I have an event later. I'm still not feeling well. I attended meetings yesterday and I was like, seriously, I was like sad yesterday. So I'm gonna try to be better today for sure. What am I singing? Ayun. My mom's not here. She's in Baclaran. If you guys don't know, my mom's a devotee of the hindi sa Baclaran, Our Lady of, I don't know. Hindi siya Lady of Fatima. Ano siya? Basta yung sa Baclaran. Ayun. I'm kind of depressed all of a sudden kasi there's this, like, group na I was part of, but then I was kicked out. You wanna know why? Matagal na yun na issue. Pero this girl kicked me out kasi I talked shit about her, but then she talks shit about other people. So, alam mo yun. I didn't call her out for that. I just like, no. It was that crazy. I'm seriously not feeling well. But I have to do what I have to do. Oh well. These are moments that I'm like that. I'll talk to you guys in a while. I have to prepare my lunch. Ano talagang I'm not feeling well, but then I have to eat. I have to be a human being and eat.
Wala namang, or sa arm. Wala namang relation. Siguro, it's because pag may ka, prone ka sa group.
Hey guys! Okay, so I'm already at home. I'm almost done editing the few days vlog. I'm gonna be uploading that as well. So I hope you guys understand I wasn't able to vlog for a couple of days because I was quite busy with everything else. So yeah. Okay, I do have to go. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and putting up with me. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a safe day. Bye. Mwah.